bulletins in recent weeks to know that if I show you something like this, well, there's a lot of wet weather on the way as well. Quite a swathe of cloud just the western side of Ireland, and you'll know that these pictures show you that once we get into the yellows and the reds, that's where we start talking about some very heavy rain indeed, and that's on its way towards Northern Ireland for the rest of this afternoon and into many western areas of the British Isles as we get on towards evening as well. Now, it isn't all doom and gloom by any means. A little bit of brightness perhaps along the south coast, parts of East Anglia, east of the Pennines, perhaps around about the Moray Firth. And with an increasing southerly wind, well, places like the Moray Firth can do quite well at this time of year. Could see 13 degrees on what will be a mild day wherever you happen to spend the afternoon. Now, overnight, that same swathe of cloud with its attendant rain band will gradually work its way across all parts of the British Isles, but won't get away from this southeastern corner. And really, all it's doing is making way for another great surge of cloud and rain coming into the southwestern quarter of the British Isles, which is in fact going to fall from this area of cloud, which is already showing on that satellite picture, and will make for a very wet start to the day across much of the western side of the British Isles. Gale force winds getting into the southwestern quarter, and a pretty wet start to the day in many western areas, only adding to the rain that we've got left over from today. Elsewhere, a little bit of dry weather, certainly for parts of Scotland, and then I think you're going to lose it, because come the afternoon, that whole pulse of cloud and rain will gradually work its way over towards the eastern side of the British Isles, allowing somewhat showery conditions to get into many western areas. I think Northern Ireland might be the place to be tomorrow afternoon. Again, another mild day in prospect, and then on Friday, well, not a bad day, certainly to start off with, and then we bring another pulse of cloud and rain into this southwestern corner, really setting us up for the weekend, which I think is going to stay, yes, mild certainly, but pretty wet and windy at times, with somewhat brighter but showery conditions interspersed. On Saturday, it looks as though the cloud and rain will be in this western side of the British Isles, only toppling away to the southeastern quarter by Sunday. So Saturday, make the most of the dry weather because it won't last out in the west, and then we flick-flack on Sunday with the brightest of the conditions, but with some showers out in